color of your skin. Let the brilliant light of your soul blind them. Things turn out to be the best, for people make the best out of the way things turn out. For hope is better than fear. Optimism is always better than despair. So let us be loving, hopeful and optimistic, and we will definitely change the world. Good evening. Standing here before you is a graduate of Bachelor of Arts in Political Science, double degree in Public Administration. I am 22 and a proud member of one of the gorgeous sister clan in Las Piñas City, the unbeatable, the Garcia Circle of Beauties, who presently hears all the way from the financial and business capital of the Philippines. I am fresh all the way from Makati City. Tonight, let me stand by the name of your one and only girl. Ang babaeng minsan na pong nag-iwan ng mga katagang, 14 pa lamang ako, buntis na ako. At ang babaeng lagi po nating napapanood at nasusubaybayan sa palabas na Two Wives. Your one and only, na nag-iiwan po ng isang kasabihan, hindi po masama ang pagiging kabit. Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan at salubungin, your one and only, Binibining Erich Gonzalez. Na nag-iiwan po ng paalala para pasintabi na lamang po sa mga taong gumagamit ng ipinagbabawal na bato. Aanhin pa po ang pinagbabawal na bato kung sa aking kagandahan pa lamang, Chuck, sabog na kayo. Maraming salamat po. And I am proudly representing from the fascinating and majestic waves of Puraran. I am all the way from the surfing capital of the Philippines, Virac, Catanduanes, Daghang